Although there is no official club for learning organizations, they do share a set of common attributes. They are hyper focused on learning, not only at the individual level, but also at the group and the organizational levels. For this reason, they tend to have a greater capacity to learn and adapt than other organizations. Let me ask you a question. Would you say that you love to learn? If you do, we can say that you value learning. It is something that is important to you. It is something that you not only enjoy, but it's something that you want to do. You value it. Learning organizations also value learning, so much so that this value is embedded in all aspects of the organization, in all departments and in all functions. What this means is that training is encouraged to happen anywhere, anytime, not just in a formal training situation. Leaders in learning organizations understand that training is just one option. There are multiple ways to enhance human capital, and all of those strategies need to be integrated in order to have the greatest impact and the greatest return. Not only do employees seek out new information and learn it, sometimes on their own, they are also expected to share that new information with their colleagues and others at the organization. By encouraging learning at all levels and by facilitating the sharing of that information, learning organizations can increase their capacity to adjust to the business environment.